make some honey garlic shrimp today. This is super easy to make. You do need to marinate it for a little bit, but after that, you're done and it's delicious. Let's make this. In here I have a 1/3 cup of honey with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced fresh garlic. It's about 4 garlic cloves. And a teaspoon of minced ginger. I have a pound of shrimp in here. It's been rinsed, it's deveined and shelled. We're gonna pour half of our marinade on this. Keep the rest of your marinade for when we're cooking. We're just gonna make sure everything is covered in the marinade. We're gonna cover this and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. You could have it in there for a couple hours as well. I'm gonna put a little oil in this skillet and we're gonna let it heat. Shrimp cooks very fast, so we gotta be careful not to overcook it. This didn't heat evenly, so I'm gonna work in batches. Once I flip them, I'm gonna add a little bit of that sauce that we kept, and I'm gonna keep the rest for the rest of our shrimp. We're just gonna allow that to finish cooking, get nicely caramelized with the honey, and take it out and finish the other half. Look at these. They're beautiful. They're nice and caramelized from the honey. This took a max of 5 minutes, guys. You just, as I showed you, you put them in, you flip them, you put the sauce on, you wait for them to get that nice color and take them off. I'm gonna add a little bit of scallion green to this. Let's taste these. Oh my goodness, these are delicious. That shrimp is cooked perfectly. Oh, it's juicy and so flavorful. You have that sweetness from the honey and of course the ginger, the garlic, and the soy. Very, very nice. Enjoy this, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Sub if you haven't yet. Please put your notification button on so you can see when I have new videos. Give me a like if you'd like. And share this video. I'll see you guys soon.